Today's date is June 27th, 2021. So we've had the Speed Queen washer and dryer pair for 6 years now. Come September, with zero problems. What we're doing right now is on the dryer some standard maintenance that I've fallen behind a little bit on. So we're going to take the whole thing apart, lubricate the rollers, and clean everything out very thoroughly. So at this point, let's begin. Takes 5/16 inch nut. Use nut driver. Took all this stuff apart. Yeah, that got pretty nasty. And front panel's off. That is off. So now let's continue. There's these three wires connected to the door switch. So I took a picture of where they land for common and other connections. And now with the door off, same 5/16 inch nuts. I'm gonna take these four out. But first we gotta disconnect more wiring. This is the moisture sensor. And this is the light up above. So, does this come out? Yeah. Oh, it's a nice metal clip that was in here. I'll have to stick it back in so we don't lose it. So now that little wiring harness is disconnected. Also, we're going to disconnect this plastic plenum. And there's a Phillips there. And there should be a Phillips there. Then we'll go ahead and take these two off. Now loosen the drum. We'll pull the whole drum out. Forgot to mention there's a third screw right there. So 3 screws total. And you can take this plenum off. Which reveals that. Okay, we got everything apart. Also have to loosen those to lift this lid up to get it to slide out some. Take these screws out here. Take off that front cover around the blower and the duct going outside. And clean in there too. Disconnect the 2 black wires for the thermostat.
rubber band is going to put it in the dishwasher.
Oh, that's lint.
This looks weird. I got as much dust as I could with the vacuum. Now we're going to go to exhaust.
Well, at least one good thing came out of 12 years of friendship.
I'll load it up in the parts washer for these pieces that get scrubbed clean. I'm not going to use auxiliary heating, just use tap water temperature bypass, timer on, let it fill up to the float. Where you at? Okay.
Hey, Andy. What are you doing? You're on YouTube right now. What up, dude? Please drop a like for little dude here. Someone said we need to do videos on our cats. If you think we need to do videos on the cats, comment down below and let us know.
Now the timer will advance. Alright, so now I put fresh oil on the rollers. This one was actually pretty good as is. This one here was a little noisy, but now it's perfectly quiet. And also on that too, that's really it. So now I'm least start reassembling this thing. All these bolts are tight. This lower left one in the far back was loose, causing rattle, squeaky noises. So that's nice and tight now. The rest are all tight, so oh well. Okay, I just got the door all cleaned up. Hey, what up? Just one, girlfriend. So this is all back together and cleaned up and lubricated. Got these pieces here just drying off, and that's all that remains, and then we can test it. In the meantime, there you go. And here it is all back together. As well as a nice clean piece right there. And that's cleaned up. And here it is all back together. Nice and clean in there. Put some clothes in there to tumble. Door open switch. It's on fluff up. Ooh, very nice. That sounds great. So, in the next video, I plan on at least taking the front panel off the washer and dusting it out. And I'm also gonna clean and detail the cabinets on this like I typically do. And it should be it. So thanks for watching, and hit like and subscribe. As you can see, I got the bottom panel off. Really? Did you order something?
No. You took a picture of the sign. Oh, you know what? Maybe he did go do it. Maybe I did because I ordered toilet paper from Walmart. So it could be, yeah.
He left it. But I was recording, I heard ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. Oops.
Oops. Damn it. Oops. Oh, there's your 2 cents worth. Come on, you bitch.